Is there a way to make 20% of my account from one single trade? Hi and welcome back to Trading Strategy Testing channel where we learn and test your trading strategies. Today we will combine MACD, market structure and the fundamental trading strategies that we tested earlier on this channel, and show you how I personally analyze the market and place my trades. Everything will be done live so you could enjoy the experience and learn as much as you can from it. It will be a great way to test strategies and share with you all the aspects of trading from a full-time trader perspective. I personally wish I had such content when I started trading few years back. If you like this series, feel free to leave us a thumbs up which encourage us making more similar videos. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel to enjoy every piece of content that we make to help beginners become full-time traders. Let's get started.
One of the most common questions I get often is which pair should I trade today? It is a little bit difficult to answer as there are plenty of them, and some could bring a great opportunity to traders. Today I will share with you this strategy which is a secret that many traders keep for themselves. This is the currency strength index that gives the trader an idea of the strength of any particular currency and its performance against other currencies. You can notice that the Canadian dollar is performing well against all the major currencies due to the positive unemployment rates that the Canadian National Statistical Office has released at the end of the first week of August. On the other hand, the euro is struggling because of the pullback following its spectacular uptrend that we saw in the last week of July. Speaking about the fundamental news, are there any major important news that affect the euro and Canadian dollars today? Probably not, as most of the events we see on this calendar have a limited effect on the two currencies, so there won't be any big surprises for this pair today. If you want to know more about this strategy and how we analyze the fundamentals, then enter the live trade we have made recently that had plus 60 pips profit potential. Feel free to check out the link on the screen later. Let's do some technical analysis now. Based on our previous fundamental review, we should consider going short on the euro-Canadian dollar pair. The strength of the Canadian dollar as well as the major pullback that the euro is experiencing will give us a clear trend that we can ride. So all we know is that we need to go short on this pair. The in-depth technical analysis will help us to identify the right entry point. We can see that the price is already under the 200 exponential moving average. This means that we are experiencing a downtrend. The same idea is confirmed by the MACD reading on the 1-hour time frame. You can notice here that the two MACD lines have crossed, which could signify the starting of a pullback. It's always important to enter the trend at the pullback level in order to take advantage of a stronger momentum once the trend continues afterwards and develops into a spike or a ranging market. Let's draw our key levels for a better understanding. You can also notice that the price has failed to make a higher high and it has crossed the 200 EMA, and that means that the trend is strong enough to continue bearishing after the current pullback that MACD has highlighted. Other than that, the price has just crossed the previous key level with a long bearishing candle, which shows the key level might not be that relevant anymore. Let's switch to 5-minute time frame to be able to spot a suitable entry as well as a stop loss level. Since we are still at the key level zone, we will choose a sell stop order which will only be triggered if the price continues bearishing to hit the entry level. We will opt for a modest risk to reward ratio of 1.3 this time. While I am adjusting the order parameters, kindly give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content, and feel free to subscribe to this channel if this is your first time here, and let us know in the comments section which trading strategy you want us to trade live next time. We have opened a $200 demo account that we will use to trade this time. I won't place this trade on my real account as I have already achieved my daily target today. The type of order you choose might have a strong impact on the chances of making a successful trade. When the price is at a strong key level, it is important to use either buy or sell stop orders to make sure that the order is only triggered once the price gets to the entry point, which means that your price action analysis is accurate. If the price doesn't get to your entry point, that means that your interpretation might not be correct, which is something that happens to all traders, but the most important thing is that your balance is safe. I have decided to enter the market with 5 micro lots, which is a suitable volume for this account. I am making a video about the best way to calculate your volume size depending on your account size and risk level soon. You can notice that the time is 7:30 p.m. in my country and the New York market will close after 3 hours from now. Kindly pause the video and let us know in the comments section what kind of challenges we might face because of that. Keep on watching this video as I am highlighting later a mistake that many traders make and it costs them a lot of money. I am gonna fast forward the video to save our time while waiting for the price to hit the entry level. Our order has just been triggered as the price continues to bearish as expected earlier. It is 8:30 p.m. here and the New York market will close soon. This will lead us to our next topic. When you place a scalping order at the end of the trading day, make sure that the rollover or swap value is positive for the pair you are trading. To check that, you need to either consult the website of your broker or find it on MetaTrader. If you wish to know the rollover value for a given Forex pair, you can click on View on the top menu, then select Market Watch. If the Market Watch is already visible, try to find the pair you wish to trade. Right-click it and select Specification. Scroll down and find the short swap section as we are on a short position. The short swap value is positive, which means that if we carry over the trade to the next day we will make profit. Going long on this pair will get us some losses if we don't close the trade before the end of the day. We started seeing some profit as the price is heading slowly towards the take profit level. Are we gonna get to the take profit level today? Or we will have to wait till tomorrow? Let's continue watching to find out. The market is closed now, and the interest was added to the account. You can see an additional swap of 2 cents. That represents the rollover value that corresponds to the volume size we have entered. Many traders neglect this value, especially if they are scalping, but it could play an important role if you are a swing trader. This value could be high if you go in with a high volume. Otherwise, it is still important to consider every cent that goes in or out of your account. It's 1:30 a.m. here, it's time to have some rest. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment about this type of videos. I enjoy reading your comments and it encourages me to make more content for you guys. Let's fast forward the video a little bit. We have just hit the take profit level. That was a great deal with a high probability setup. We have made $8.31, that represents a 22.2 pips profit. The $8.31 is around 4.15% of our account, which is a great amount considering that it's coming from one single trade. But what if we had a bigger account and entered this trade, let's say with one standard lot? How much money can we make? Let's use our journal trading template to know the answer. We first need to fill up the necessary data. The link to download this template could be found in the video description box. Amazing! If we had a $1,000 account or more and we entered this trade with one standard lot, we could have made a profit of $222. Honestly, I don't think this is the right way to trade Forex. We need to consider the risk level involved. Let me know in the comments section if you want me to make a video testing this strategy with another pair. I will be making more of these videos soon, and I always need your feedback on what strategy or pattern you want me to cover. Thank you for watching and happy trading.